guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a spring break kind of like prep and pack with me vlog kind of. Figured I'd show you some of the basic pieces that I'm bringing on spring break, some of my essentials, and some of the things I'm doing this week just to get ready. So if you guys want to see what I do to get ready for spring break, just keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? I am wearing no makeup. I'm in the Walgreens parking lot. I just needed two things, very important. I got some dry oil to tan with. It also has SPF 15 in it, which I won't be putting this on every day, but I will put it on a little bit. I have been tanning in the bed at home. I literally just got back from there, that's why I have no makeup on, and I feel like I look a little tan already, so hopefully my skin doesn't sunburn while I'm there. I don't usually, so that's why this is literally fine for me. I always use it. And then I also got these Pedialyte electrolyte packs, and this is the strawberry lemonade one, and this is really good for after a day full of drinking and not drinking enough water. It's easy to just put this into a water because they're just packets. They really help with the hangover, and I mean, that's what spring break is. So. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But today I thought I would show you what I'm packing for spring break. I literally ordered this stuff last Tuesday. It said it was gonna come by Tuesday. It didn't. It's literally Thursday. And they put a slip in my box, and I literally chased the mail lady to give her the signed slip so I could get it right now because I want to pack. Anyway, I ordered some stuff from Boohoo. These are some bathing suits. I'm gonna put some clips of me trying them on right here. First thing I got is this little circle choker. I thought it'd be really cute, like when we were on the beach, to like just have this on, just like, I don't know, to have some kind of jewelry, because I'm not gonna have makeup or anything on, so I figured that would look cute. And then I also got this black skirt, and it's just like a wrap kind of cover up thing. We're going on like a booze cruise, like just like where they take you out onto like the sand dunes or up to some bars you can pull a boat up to in Fort Lauderdale, so I thought that would be cute for pictures and stuff. So I got this top. I'll show you it on. It's just cheetah, and it has matching bottoms here, high legs, so super flattering. And I got that one in red. And then I have bottoms and stuff to match all of those, so I figured I could just mix and match them, but I just needed some more basics. Next is this dress that I got from Express. It's just like a bodycon. I got these platform sandals. They're the knockoff Steve Madden ones. I got them from Shoe Department for $25 instead of $70 at Steve Madden. I have them in black. I'll be bringing both. A couple other things that I'll be for sure bringing are these, not Express, sorry. These are the high rise icon from PacSun, and they are just ripped and distressed at the bottom. I love their shorts. All of mine are from there. So I'm bringing these and maybe like two other pairs of just jean shorts. For at night, we usually will be wearing like jeans or like flowy pants and like a cute top because it gets a little bit colder at night. So I got this top from Express, and it's a little kind of off the shoulder, so cute. It was on sale also. If we do want to go out like fancier one night, like dinner, or I am gonna be bringing this dress. It's kind of hard to see. It's got like a cutout. I'll show it on right here also. I got this at Express, also on sale. It's so cute. I'm so excited to wear that. Another essential is my speaker that I'll be bringing for the room. It's also waterproof in case you want to bring it to the beach. I will also be bringing a fanny pack to the beach that I'll wear either over front or just around me, and this is just to put my stuff in. I don't like bringing a purse. Everyone wears fanny packs on spring break, and this is just a cheap one from Forever 21, so if it gets destroyed, like, I don't care. But yeah, I'll probably bring a couple sandals, some just basic tank tops that are easy just to throw on with shorts, little crop tops, tube tops, things like that. I'm gonna bring a pair of jeans, some plain skinny jeans for when we go out, like I said. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.